Crimpy, why is one plane so big and why is one plane so small?
Good question, Benjamin. Different tools, different application. We've got the big one here, the Stanley No. 8, because if we're jointing a really long board, long boards might not be perfectly flat. They might have high spots and low spots. So this will run over all those high spots and take them down to where it matches all the low spots. So it'll get us a nice flat surface over a real long board. So that one's for hogging off a lot of material. You get a small plane like this, which is a Stanley Squirrel tail is what it's called, because it kind of looks like a squirrel. If you've got a small project that you've mostly got done and you just need to take a little bit off the edge, that's all you need. You're just taking a little bit off of a small piece. A little squirrel tail like this will do the job. So big jobs, little jobs. That simple.
Yeah.